from the end of December. As you can see, guys, from the end of December 20 to February 12th, this store has almost generated $38,000 in revenue. What is going on, guys? This is David Godoy here with a case study today. And this is a store that has done $38,000 in revenue. It's a TikTok case study, and the time that the store has been running is from late December to now February 12th. So I want to get in depth to this product. And how did we find this product initially? It was that we were observing our competitors, and we found it through a list of competitors that we've had put on a sheet. In December, Christmas products were booming. Now we're transitioning to spring, and as we transition to spring, these products are gonna eventually transition to that season. So it's always about staying ahead of the curve, observing our competitors. What has been the store format for this product? It is a one product store. By any means, I'm not bashing general product stores because they do work well, and it facilitates testing at a bigger scale. However, when you really take your time with these one product stores, you could get a lot more quality out of these, and customers will trust more just the aspect of a one product store, because it's just the product that they saw in the advertisement. And now they come to check the store out, and it's simply that product. They feel like the brand is all around it. Just makes the conversion rate a lot better, obviously. So what has been the main attribution to the product? You have to put yourself in the customer's shoes, and you have to really visualize what question would they have, and how could you answer it. And another important aspect is multiple creatives. So many people make the mistake when they're testing that they test with just one creative, and this tends to lead people to lose the chance of finding a winner. Because what if you have a really good product and you have a creative that is not good, right? Then if you have multiple creatives, then the TikTok ads platform can leverage over the other two, or the only one that's performing well, and you can potentially find a winner there. And the things to look out for is making sure you have sufficient margins to be profitable. This is very important when it comes to TikTok, because let's say you have a good product but your margins are not good. You could scale that product, but you wouldn't be profitable. Many people don't look at their numbers, and that's the first thing you should do, is look at your numbers. Make sure that you're being profitable at a small scale, so you can replicate that at a much larger scale, and just work through smoothly. Build a solid back end. This is very important. Customer service is key, and order fulfillment. This is one of the main pillars to your store. If you're not keeping track of your customer service emails, not responding back to them, if you're not fulfilling orders, Chinese New Year's is ending now, and we got through it pretty well, because these two pillars were on point for this store in this example. So as long as your customer service and order fulfillment is on point, well, you have one less thing to worry about. Creating upsells, either with quantity breaks or post-purchase recommended. You have no idea how much money could be left on the table, especially when you're doing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in revenue. The amount of money that could be left on the table can literally help you acquire more customers, be on top of your competitors. It will give you the ultimate edge. So this is something to look out for. And constant testing is very important. Not marrying a particular product. I see a lot of people, they tend to fall in love with a product, and this is a risk factor, because you're losing time, you're losing money, while you could have been testing otherwise this product and making something else work much quicker. So how to stay on the ahead of the curve is, when you find a winner, a common thing that a lot of people do is get comfortable. To truly stay ahead of the game, you need to constantly be testing new creatives, new marketing angles. You just can't lay back. It's not the time to relax. It's the time to scale and capitalize. Okay, it's goal setting what gets you beyond $1,000 a day. Okay, because let's be real. A lot of us can get to $1,000 a day, but is that it? Goal setting, when you place yourself ahead of a goal, well, a goal that is not far from your reach but not close either, that's when you begin to see results. Because if you say you're at $1,000 a day, right, and you say, okay, I'm gonna work myself to 1.5, and then you do, and then 1.5 is no longer the goal, it's 3K, and so on. So you keep putting these goals that push you further and don't let you stay behind. And this is potentially what will help you bring your store from zero to $100,000 in revenue, and possibly more, just depending on how ambitious you are. Strategy: 3 simple steps. Horizontally scaling with new creatives every other day. So our strategy is very simple. I could go more in depth in this, but I just wanted to keep it simple so you guys can understand. Okay. Horizontally scaling with new creatives every other day. So just make sure you pump in new creatives. TikTok is a creative driven platform. It really requires a lot of creatives to a product stay relevant. And that's what you need to do. You need to feed the platform with more and more creatives. You group your top creatives in an ACO campaign. So every week you're gonna have creatives dying off, and then you're gonna have creatives that are actually performing good and pulling the rest of the campaign. So these are the creatives you want to bet against, and you want to just add them to your ACO campaign, your top creatives. For your ACO, you want to have 5 different ad copies. Just to be clear, 5 different ad copies, 5 different variation of the text that you're gonna have with the product, right? And when you have these ACOs going, you want to vertically scale the top performing ad sets. The new ads that you're trying to get into that ranked list of ACOs can also be vertically scaled as long as they're performing well. So vertically scale top performing ad sets based on the last 7 days of performance. You want to increase the budget by $10 daily if performing well, and decrease $10 or turn off depending if performance drops slightly or significantly. So if your performance is dipping significantly and you made a change, you might want to wait 1 day. But if it continues to persist 2-3 days foreign, you want to turn off that ad set and just make sure you're focusing on what's working. So as long as the ad set is working, you want to increase the budget by $10 slightly, right? Every day, $10. And I'll show you proof of this, of how it's working on the back end. And what we've been using is general targeting, 18 to the top age. And we're targeting the United States and Canada in this type of store. So I'll just get into the ads so you guys can see real quick. Okay, this is one of our oldest campaigns. As you can see, this ad set is at $110 daily. Okay, this is one of the ad sets that started at $20 a day, and we began to increase to 30, 40, 50, etc. And as you can see, we spent $2,728.95 to make $6,485 with 31 cents, which is not bad at all, right? Especially when you have this type of budget. You have to obviously take care in an account that you're looking at the last 7 days, because you might be thinking the ad set is profitable, but if you have it on lifetime, that's where the catch is. You have to make sure that you're in the last 7 days looking over your ads, making sure that the ad set is still profitable. Depending on that, if it's performing better, increase it by $10. If it's not performing too well, then decrease it, wait to optimize again, and then increase it again. All right, so we have another ad set here that has spent $1,387.56, right? And it's made back $3,675. Guys, keep in mind, this is one of the oldest performing campaigns that we have since January. And I still have 2 ad sets that are alive here. And, I'm just going to show you one of the, most recent campaigns that we have. As you can see here, 104 purchases with $920 spent, and a total of $2,276 made back. And we're not accounting for the post-purchase upsells here, the SMS bump, the email retargeting. These are important things to your store. So just to summarize, this is how much the store is doing today. I really want to show you guys that these aren't fake numbers. This is completely real. The store has made $470 today from the end of December. As you can see, guys, from the end of December 20 to February 12th, this store has almost generated $38,000 in revenue. So this is a quick video, a very easy strategy to follow, and it is something that any of you guys can do. So if you have any questions, link it down in the comments. I'm gonna leave my Instagram and I'm gonna leave all my info below. So this has been nice meeting you guys. David, peace out.